Hey Porsche fans, it's Rich DelMazzio of Porsche Greenwich, and right behind me I happen to have a beautiful 2026 brand new GT3, which means it has a wing, and this is one of the last ones we have as of right now. So I've heard a lot of chatter down in the comments saying, oh, there's so many cars available. Where? We had around 5 GT3s, combination between wings and Tourings come in recently, including pre-owned cars. Now we are just down to this last wing version, and we just got in a pre-owned GT3 Touring. So the market seems to be very strong, and yeah, this one's available right now. So if you want to know more about it and just skip right to it, right down below you'll find my contact details, my phone number, so you can call or text, and my email. Let's get into the video. What is this car? This is a beautiful oak green Neo GT3 with California Gold wheels and the California Gold GT3 stripe down the bottom. We have a bunch of carbon fiber bits, and these bits are part of the Weissach package. So you have a carbon fiber roof that's partially painted with the exposed center. The front bonnet, which is always carbon fiber, has the exposed carbon fiber there, which is absolutely lovely. We also have the motorsport stripe going over that as well. We have the carbon fiber blades right there. Spectacular. Black HD matrix. This is not part of the Weissach package, but I just want to draw attention to that. I have just gone ahead and swapped out those amber ones and inserted our clear ones. So there you go. Love it. And just in case you didn't know it was a Weissach, we have our end plates here that remind you that yes, we have a Weissach GT3. Just in case you don't know, this is an outline of the Weissach test track in Germany. The rear wing, this is carbon, so it has the exposed center. You can see a very similar theme. Everything follows suit here. At the back of the vehicle, this car has the GT3 logo painted in body color. There's your lovely sport exhaust, which is standard. There you go. You got your little side grills there, I guess you want to call that. Fantastic. Jumping into the inside of the car, we'll expose our fixed carbon buckets with removable helmet piece. Sometimes I can do this pretty easily. There you go, as I drop it. So now your helmet should fit much easier on the back of the seat. Your headrest says Weissach, once again, just in case you forgot that you have a Weissach Package GT3. The 992.2 has the sculpted rear faux seat area. So this is where seats are normally in a GT in a 911, but here you have the area here so you can store things. Carbon fiber backs, notice how it folds. So detailers worldwide unite and celebrate. You can actually finally clean the rear glass easily with a bucket seat. Previous, it was really difficult to do. You need to find the smallest friend of yours to clean your back window, or the smallest detailer. You got the nice little Porsche crest on the bucket there. Take a look when I actually pull this loop. This actually rotates. I love that kind of small little detail there. Yellow belts to match your, you guessed it, ceramic brakes. And this has the leather Racetex combination interior with, it's either GT silver or chalk stitching, I forget. I have to look at the window sticker. It looks the same though, truthfully. Matte carbon fiber inlay. This little trim strip is normally silver on other 911s and other cars. It's matte black on the GT3. As part of the Weissach package, you have the carbon fiber handle, and instead of having this lower piece there, you are saving like a gram by having the net. I'm just kidding. That's not scientific at all, but yeah. So that's part of the Weissach. We've added Bose sound package, so your car weighs a little less, but you now have a better sound system. And yeah. And then one of my favorite touches I love doing on 911s is either doing this sill in leather or Racetex. Being a GT3, it makes sense to have this in Racetex, and you have the deviated stitching along the side here. You have the illuminated door sill guards in matte carbon fiber. And yes, this is the GT3, so it's reminding you of that. And then the matte carbon fiber goes all across the dash and even into the passenger door. And we also have the Racetex upper dashboard panel with deviated stitching. And oh, this is a super cool little detail. It's hard to see this here, but these air vent slats are painted body color. That's absolutely lovely. And then there you go. 3 pedals, save the manuals, let's go, rejoice. This car is manual transmission. And then you have your Racetex steering wheel with the deviated stitching that goes throughout. You have your matte carbon fiber on the center armrest. We have opted for the Porsche crest, or so the Porsche logo on the armrest. And then you have the GT3 logo in yellow, your 6-speed manual coin on top of the shifter. And then you have your knee pad in Racetex with the deviated stitching. And then I love this little detail. It says Porsche there. So there's no way you can forget that you're in a Porsche, let alone a GT3, or that you have opted for Weissach here. And then the air vent surround here is done in Racetex. So it matches this area here. And then we also have the exterior body color. Yeah. Lovely gearbox. It doesn't have the short throw feel of the ST or the GT3 Touring, but it is very tight and short, and it feels absolutely lovely. We have heated buckets. What's that about? You can be comfortable and set for your racetrack adventures. That's right. Owner's manual, nothing to see here. And then once again, if you forgot with all of your other nameplates that you have a Weissach package, your passenger will remember that you have a Weissach package car. And we have a fire extinguisher. And, oh yeah, the Porsche design clock. I like that. One other feature up here, sorry about the light, you have the, what's this called? Upper mirror panel wrapped in Racetex with the deviated stitching. That's very nice. And then your roof liner is all done in Racetex as well too. Okay, let's see, what am I forgetting here? Let's take a look at your window sticker. So there you go. Here are the list of options. Yeah, GT silver stitching. So there you go. Exclusive design fuel cap. We have front axle lift. We have a larger fuel tank. Oh, sun visors in Racetex. Yeah, hello. I have to mention that. So that's done in Racetex. The standard material feels okay, but it feels much better in Racetex. What else? Wheels painted in high gloss California gold. We went over that. Steering code for accent package. Okay, no, that's nothing. We went over the door sill guards, park assist, the matrix headlights, exclusive design taillights. Okay, that's no big deal, and in my opinion. What else? Air vent surrounds. We talked about that. Extended Racetex package. That just gives you extra Racetex there, and so on and so forth. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Preparation for dash cam. And the MSRP of the car, not to be mistaken as the selling price. I get a lot of praise for saying that in my videos, so thank you. Looking forward to more comments. $309,840 is the MSRP. Yeah, show me a pre-owned car that will sell for MSRP. I don't set the pricing, the market does, and guess what? You might be part of the market. If you're buying Porsches, you are dictating the price of the cars. I don't know what to say. I wish they sold for MSRP. I wish we had more of them, and it would be much better if I had more GT3s. I think y'all would buy them, and it would be grandiose. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's just coexist. Don't shoot the messenger. I do my best. All right, so that's this GT3 in a nutshell. We're coming up on 10 minutes. I have one other, I guess, bonus for you. If you don't like a wing GT3 and you want a Touring, well, guess what? That Touring was just sold. Congrats to my partner who just sold that. Let's take a quick little field trip through our showroom. I know you guys love the field trips. So I love looking at this 997 Cup car. That's not what I'm offering to you. But right around the corner, I should walk faster, is this GT3 Touring that is a certified pre-owned car. So we have this available. I haven't done a full video on this one yet. But yeah, this one is available. It's metallic black. We have the matrix headlights. We have the couches inside of the car, the 18-way seats. So here is a list of options. Pay no attention to that price. I think we are going to offer this an even more attractive price, despite the fact we've sold everything else. But reach out to me for exclusive pricing. I'd love to help you. And this one has the red stitching. I know it's hard to see. Yeah, you can't really see. There you go. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. So I don't know about you, but I'm seeing that these GT3s are kind of drying up. I know there are rumors that the next GT3 will be turbocharged. So don't know if that has sent some of you into a panic frenzy to buy these cars. I have no more GT3s on my electronic handling board. That's where we get our future allocations. So I have some customers that are kind of ready to line up and order them, but I'm kind of a little reluctant to give them false promises. I know other dealers do. I try not to. But we should get more, hopefully, of the naturally aspirated cars. So if you're interested in anything that I've spoken about, any Porsche products, you know where to find me. All my details are below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it entertaining. And well, if you don't like it, I'm sorry. I'm just going to keep being me. So thanks so much. Enjoy. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.